Hi guys, this is Zach at Amplify My Business, and just wanted to show you how to do blasts today. Blasts, right, whether they're text blasts or email blasts, all go through the same process within Amplify My Business. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to come to marketing and you're going to click on campaigns. Now you need to create a campaign that you would like, or right, if you're wanting to use one of these campaigns, great. For the purpose of this video, I am going to create a new campaign just so that you can see what this looks like. So I'm going to create a campaign, and I'm going to call this Blast One. Okay, and I'm going to click Save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my campaign configuration, and I am going to add in a user that I want to be used for this blast, meaning that the text messages or emails are going to be coming out of this person's from this person's system phone number and from their email. So as soon as I do that, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. I'm not going to worry about the other stuff for right now. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by adding an event to this campaign. And an event, remember, is a step. So I'm going to start by having a text message. And I'm going to say, hi. I'm just going to type in something here that's makes sense. So as I wait for that to just pull up really briefly, notice that you can choose this from a template. Templates are okay. Templates are created also under marketing. I'll show you what that looks like as well later on in a different video. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to, let's say address one. Yeah. Are you still interested in selling the property? Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually copy this. I'm going to save this. And I'm just going to create a separate event. That's an email. And create a subject line. And then notice that down here, I can actually format my email to be what I'd like it to be. So I can choose the different fonts. I can choose the font sizes, the formatting, all of that. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to say save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this from draft to published. Okay. With blasts, the best part about blasts is that I can actually control on who I send them to. So based off of what's called a contact tag. A contact tag, right, is a categorization. It's a way to categorize different contacts or different leads based off of different things. So I'm going to come in here to bulk requests, which is actually where you create the blast in and of itself. So I first created the campaign of what I want to send out. Then I'm going to create the bulk requests. Now I can say, okay, I'm going to say this is blast one. And then I need to select the campaign. I'm going to go down to where I see my blast one. And then I can either schedule this out for a date and a time for it to run at, or I can go ahead and now select, okay, so I'm going to send it to all of my leads that have the tag of, right, whatever it might be. Or, right, if you just wanted to send to everybody no matter what, right, you can just leave the tags blank and you can select all. The difference between customers and leads are in their status, right? For the most part, anybody that comes into you is going to be a lead. Very rarely will you ever make them a customer. So I would not worry about the customer side. But I would go ahead and I would select most everybody as the leads. And then, right, if you would like to add in a tag or categorize them differently, what you can do is you can go to settings and then tags and create a tag. I'll show you how to do that in a different video. Alrighty, let me know if you end up having any questions. After this, all you would do is say add, and then you'll see that it shows up as blast, and it's going to send to this, and it can start immediately, and all you would do is press play, and it would send to all those people. As far as limits go, there is not a limit as far as how many people you can send this to. We have people that send them to various quantities and volumes of people. And we personally use blasts to send out to thousands of people every week. So there isn't a limit as far as the blasts go. Let me know if you have any other questions about how to do bulk requests or blasts, and hope you have a great day. Thanks.